Today's video, I'm going to be switching out the coolant filter, which is right here on a DD13 DD15 engine. So you're going to need a 36 millimeter, which I got right here, and I am going to be using a torque wrench, and this is my coolant filter right here. So let's go ahead get this done. As far as this is concerned, you might want to get an extension if you're going to use a torque wrench like this. Thankfully, it's coming off pretty easily. You can see that this is the new one right here. This is the old one. Just sit that down right there. Basically, this comes up here just like this. You just heard it click on, so I can go ahead and put that in there. I should have drained some of this out, but decided not to do that. So I wanted to just be quick with it. Wanted to be quick about this. And last but not least, I'm going to switch from this back to the torque wrench. And that is it. That's all you got to do.